Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add about a tablespoon of oil, and we're going to get our onions and carrots cooked a little bit. We're going to cook down just a little bit before we put them in here. We're also going to be putting in our garlic, our thyme, and rosemary. And our garlic in. Just a little bit of thyme and rosemary. You don't want to use too much of that stuff because it'll overpower just about whatever you're cooking, in my opinion. Some people like it. We're going to let this cook down medium low, probably about 5 minutes. Alright. And we're going to add just a pinch of salt to help those onions cook a little better. Okay, it's been going for about 5 minutes and it's cooked down some. And we're going to set this to the side and let it cool off. Okay, we've got 3 pounds of ground chuck. Some people use a little leaner meat, but that's all my store has. Alright, we're going to use 1/3 cup of milk. We're going to add our onions and carrots from earlier. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add a little black pepper. We're going to add 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. And I left the meat sitting out for about 20 minutes because, you know, it's easier to work with at room temperature. Okay. And while you're doing this, you need to have your oven preheated to 350. And now I'm going to get in here and mix all this up. You don't want to mix it up too much because you'll make it tough. Just, you know, get it pretty even. Just kind of scoop it from the bottom and go. Alright, once you got all the breadcrumbs and everything mixed in, we're going to take our pan, it's lined with tin foil, and set it on there. Okay, we got a tin foil lined pan here, and then we're going to use that to cook our meatloaf on, so some of the grease will drain off of it. Okay, taking our tin foil here, I'm going to use a little bit of cooking spray on it. We'll take our meatloaf. I'll set it on here. Just form it out. You don't want it to be too thick or it'll take forever to cook. Try to get it even. Oops. Alright, and we're going to put this in the oven. That's been preheated to 350 and we're going to leave it in there for about an hour. Okay, and for our glaze, we're going to have our heat medium-low. We're going to use a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and we're going to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Maybe a little more than a tablespoon. But let it cook down. I don't want it to cook too fast. You stir it in. It's kind of almost like making barbecue sauce. And get that mixed in just a little bit. We're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay, when it starts bubbling, turn the heat down. Really low. Let it simmer for about a minute and then turn it off and set it to the side. Okay, when it hits about 160, take it out and we're going to baste it with the glaze and put it in there for about 10 more minutes and let the glaze get done. Okay, it's been in the oven for about 10 minutes. Now just let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes and then cut into it. Alright, just cut it up. Serve it with some vegetables. I've got some mashed potatoes and some mushroom gravy, some coleslaw, some green beans and onions. Hope you guys enjoy.